Hello friends, welcome to Triankush Learning channel. Today we are going to learn names of women freedom fighters of India. So let's start. First name Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu. Second Rani Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai. Third, Kamala Nehru. Kamala Nehru. Fourth name, Kasturba Gandhi. Kasturba Gandhi. Fifth, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Sixth, Annie Besant. Annie Besant. Seventh, Kittur Rani Chennamma. Kittur Rani Chennamma. Eighth name, Sucheta Kriplani. Sucheta Kriplani. Ninth name, Begum Hazrat Mahal. Begum Hazrat Mahal. Tenth name, Madam Bhikaji Kama. Madam Bhikaji Kama. 11th name, Arun Asaf Ali. Arun Asaf Ali. 12th name, Kanaklata Barua. Kanaklata Barua. 13th name, Parhati Giri. Parhati Giri. 14th name, Usha Mehta. Usha Mehta. 15th name, Lakshmi Sehgal. Lakshmi Sehgal. 16th name, Durga Bai Deshmukh. Durga Bai Deshmukh. 17th name, Moolmati. Moolmati. 18th, Matangini Hazra. Matangini Hazra. 19th number name, Tara Rani Srivastav. Tara Rani Srivastav. And last but not least, 20 name, Kamala Devi Chattopadhyay. Kamala Devi Chattopadhyay. They are the best freedom fighters.